Meaning of incisor.
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 Incisor. An incisor refers to a type of tooth located at the front of the mouth. They are used for biting and cutting food, unlike the molars and premolars which are used for grinding. Incisors are typically smaller than other types of teeth and have a flat and sharp edge. Humans have 8 incisors, 4 on the upper jaw and 4 on the lower jaw. Incisors play a crucial role in the initial breakdown of food during the digestive process. In addition to humans, most other mammals also possess incisors in their mouths.